We need justice. We need justice. We need justice.
Justice for Judith.
Able to recover the body of Charlie Sima Judith, who was the midwife at Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital. She went missing on the 2nd of September 2024, and her body was recovered today in the morning at 9 a.m. in areas of Lugazi along the shores of River Easy. Her body was taken to the regional referral mortuary here for post-mortem, so that we can be able to identify cause of death. Among the suspects that we have in police custody is the husband of Judith, who is allegedly a key suspect in the case, but we are yet to find evidence that puts him at the scene of crime. But as of now, we are still investigating, and those in custody are helping us with our investigation.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.